Hello, this is Charlie's channel. He's over there.
Charlie Crafter.
Charlie Crafter. I'm going to be doing a piano.
Hi guys.
I'm making my own tune-up and I hope you guys enjoy it. Right, Charlie, I'm going to start it.
Okay.
I can put the mic on. Let's get this right. Right. Oh, wrong tune.
Are you gonna sing for us, or are you just gonna play? I'll take that as a yes. So, can you sing for us?
Yeah.